in this video, I want to discuss with you Junior Intermediate Commerce Final Examination Previous Year Question Paper. I will discuss with you question paper as well as I will discuss the important questions to write in the examination and what actually are going to appear in the examination for particular questions. Let us go into the discussion now. Soon intermediate final examination are going to appear in Telangana state. So students are eagerly waiting for the discussion of the question paper as well as important questions list. So here I am providing everything. So let us discuss all this now. So here we have one question paper, that is previous year question paper. Okay, so I will discuss with you how actually the questions are going to appear in the final examination and what actually the pattern of the question paper. So this is how actually question paper comes in the final examination. Commerce question paper for 100 marks and examination timing is 3 hours. You can see here, I will show everything clearly. So question paper timing, question paper and examination timing is 3 hours. You are going to write examination for 3 hours and you can see timing here. Time is 3 hours. Okay, question paper time is 3 hours and next you are going to write the examination for 100 marks. Okay, so commerce is one of the subject for MEC as well as CEC students. And this is a paper that I am going to discuss for junior intermediate first year students. Paper 1 means first year students. Okay, so I am going to discuss with you English version paper and let us discuss. Here first the question paper is divided into part A and part B. So part A is related to completely, that is related to, this is part A. Part A is related to commerce. Commerce students have 2 books for commerce. Paper is commerce, subject is commerce. Again in that 2 books are there. Okay, so it is divided into 2 parts. First part is commerce, that is theoretical paper. The other one is accountancy. So part A is related, or part 1 is related to commerce. You are going to get questions from the commerce. Okay, part 1 is related to commerce. You are going to get questions from the theory part, commerce book. Hope this is clear for everyone. I'll show it now. Okay, so here you can see part 1. Part 1 is for how many marks? It is for 50 marks. So commerce related questions, theory paper, theory book questions you are going to get in part 1, that is for 50 marks and it is divided into 3 sections. Section A, you can see here, section B and section C. There are 3 sections for 50 marks part 1 paper. Okay, and this part 1 is having weightage of 50 marks and here it is divided into 3 sections. What actually you are going to get under these 3 sections? Let us go and discuss. First section, this first section actually is related to 10 marks questions. First section is related to 10 marks questions and you are going to write 10 marks questions here. This first section, okay, it is 10 marks questions bit. So you can see here 10 marks. Okay, so actually long questions, these are long questions, you have to write long answer for that. This carries 10 marks weightage, but you are going to get 3 questions. They are going to give 3 questions here. You can see first one, second one and third one. 3 questions they are going to give, but you are going to attempt any 2 out of that. Only 2 questions you are going to attempt. And these are the questions that you are going to get completely from commerce, that is theoretical paper. Okay, total 50 marks weightage. You have to learn all long questions and you are going to attempt any 2, but here they are going to give 3 questions, but you are going to write only 2 questions in the final examination. There is a choice. You can select any 2 out of these 3. So each question carries 10 marks, and if you attempt 2 questions you will get 20 marks. Okay, if you attempt 2 questions you will get 20 marks for this. Okay, this is the first section, section A, related to long questions. Hope this is clear for everyone. Students may have doubt. So what actually we have to learn to attempt these questions. Okay, so what are very important for this? I'll give you the list of questions also for this section A. If you want to attempt questions for this section, 2 questions out of 3, then you have to learn few questions which are important from the final examination point of view. I'll show the list also. So this is a list of important questions for 10 marks. Okay, let us take important questions. These are important questions for 10 marks. Let us take it. Okay, important questions for how many marks? 10 marks. This is a list of all questions. You can see the list so that you will understand what actually you have to learn from the final examination point of view for 10 marks. This is a list of all important questions. 1 to 11 I have given. All are important. So you have to learn all these 11 so that you will be able to write 2 questions out of 3 questions in the examination. Hope this is clear for everyone what to learn. Okay, so this is a list of all important questions to get 20 marks in section A part 1. Let us go to next discussion. Next, our next section is section 2, section B. Okay, section B, you can see here, section B. So section B is short questions bit, that is 5 marks weightage bit. If you attempt 1 question you will get 5 marks. Okay, how many questions they are going to give? The question number starts from 4th onwards, and 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Okay, total 6 questions. 6 questions will be given, and you are going to attempt any 4 out of that. Okay, there is choice again. Out of 6 questions you are going to attempt only 4 questions. Choice is there. So each question carries how many marks here? Each question carry 5 marks. So you are going to attempt 4 questions. 4 5s are total 20 marks. In 5 marks also you are going to get 20 marks if you attempt this section B bit. Hope this is clear. Okay, so here again you will have doubt what to learn to attempt 4 questions and to get 20 marks in the final examination. I will show the list of important questions for 5 marks. Okay, so let me show that also. So this is a list of all important questions in the final examination for 5 marks. Okay, so if you learn all these 1 to 17 questions, you will be able to attempt 4 questions in the examination. So it is very important on part of the students to learn all these 17 questions. So definitely you will be able to attempt 4 questions in the examination because there is choice, so that you can get 20 marks. Okay, so hope this is clear for everyone. You can watch the questions list so that you can learn all these answers. Let us go and discuss the continuation. Next, let us discuss about section C. Section C is very short questions bit. Section C is very short questions bit. You are going to get short questions, not short, very short. Okay, 2 marks weightage questions. So you should write answer in a simple manner. You may write the answer 3 to 4 lines. Okay, so or 5 lines. If you write 3 lines also enough. But if you write 5 lines, there is no choice to lose your marks. Okay, 3 to 5 lines. In between that, you can write the answer. So how many questions you are going to get under section C? 10th one, 11th one, 12th one, 13th one, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. Total how many? Total 8 questions. You are going to get total 8 questions, but you are going to attempt only 5 questions. Okay, you are going to attempt only 5 questions, but total how many questions you are going to get? 8 questions, but you are going to attempt only 5. So each question carry 2 marks, and 5 questions you have to attempt. 5 twos are 10 marks. Total 10 marks you are going to get in this bit. Hope this is clear. Okay. So here students, you have to remember one point carefully. The question number whatever is given here, you should write in the answer booklet same question number. If you are going to attempt the answer for first question, write first question number. If you want to write the answer for 11th question, write 11th question number. That's it. Don't change the question number. Whatever are given in the question paper, you should write same question number. And one more point students, don't write anything on the question paper in the examination. Okay, so you can just tick it. If you attempt any answer, you can tick it. That's it. Don't write any calculations, anything else on the question paper, because you will be booked under malpractice. Hope this is clear. If you want to write any calculations, you can use last page of booklet for your rough work. Okay, you can write the rough work and you can write all the rough work there. And if you use pencil, that is better, because no additionals will be given. If you want that page also to write any answer, you can rub it and you can continue your answer. Okay, so let us go into discussion. So here students may get a doubt. Okay, if you want to get 10 marks for this 2 marks weightage questions, very short questions, what list we should learn? I'll give list of these questions also, important list, so that you can learn. So this is list of 2 marks. More are there. Okay, so many questions are there to learn. This is the first list. You can watch this. So business, risk or uncertainty. Okay, there are so many questions, and I explained all these questions in previous videos. You can go through that if you want any details regarding that, if you want any explanation and any answer. Okay, so what to write in the examination and how much to write, you can go through previous videos. You can search in the playlist, you will find it. 2 marks, very important questions. 5 marks. Okay, everything I discussed in the previous videos, you can go through that. How much answer you should write in the examination. Okay, everything I mentioned. And this is the first list of 2 marks, and I will show the other list also. This is the second list. So continuation. Okay, continuation. This is the second list. So these are the total questions that you have to learn compulsorily. This is the second list. And next I will give you third list also. You can go through all this. Entry portrait, business finance, minimum subscription, holding companies. Okay, so many are there. You can see all this here. And next, third list is, this is the third list. Okay, so in total you have to learn all these questions for 2 marks, so that you will be able to attempt in the examination 5 questions. You should learn all this compulsorily. Okay, you will get 10 marks out of this, but these are very simple and easy. You can write 3 lines in the examination to score 2 marks. So it is very easy to learn all these questions. Don't be in tension that there are so many questions. So it is very simple to learn because very short questions. Okay, let us go to question paper again. So here I discussed all these questions for part 1. Okay, I discussed all the questions for part 1, and here we discussed section A, section B and section C. What comes, from where it comes, what to learn, and what is the weightage, how many question comes, and how many should be attempted. Okay, so everything I discussed. Hope this is clear. And in the examination you should write your hall ticket number in the boxes here provided. Okay, you should mention your hall ticket number. So compulsory, this is compulsory to mention your hall ticket number. Okay, so you have to mention here in the boxes. Hope this is clear, but don't write anything on the question paper except this. Let us go to continuation of the question paper. This is part 1, 50 marks weightage. Okay, so we will discuss part 2. Same question paper, you will get continuation I am discussing. So PTO. PTO means what? So we should turn over the page. Okay, so let us go to next one. This is part 2. In part 2, what you will get actually? So this is part 2. Part 2 actually is related to accountancy, and you will get all the questions from your accountancy textbook, and this is for 50 marks. Total 50 marks weightage is there for this. Okay, and what is the question number? 18th. So till 17th those questions are related to commerce. Okay, and this from 18th onwards all the questions are going to appear from accountancy. You are going to get questions from the accountancy textbook. So till 17, 1 to 17 are taken from commerce textbook. Hope this is clear for everyone. Commerce is theoretical book and this is accountancy. Accountancy is accountancy. Okay, problem related book. So from 18th question onwards you are going to get all the questions from accountancy book. So weightage is 50 marks. First question, 18th question is 20 marks question. So you have weightage of 20 marks. How many you will get? Only one question. You are going to get only one question. No choice. Only one question, but more weightage is there. 20 marks weightage is there. If you attempt one question, you are going to get 20 marks out of that. Okay, 1 into 20, you will get 20. So more weightage. So what is that? Actually what you will get? You will get final accounts. You are going to prepare final accounts. Okay, so final accounts you have to prepare here. So if you prepare final accounts, you will get 20 marks. Final accounts means trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet preparation. So you have to prepare all these three by looking into this question. So you will get 20 marks for that. I explained how to prepare final accounts and what are the formats that you have to learn and how to prepare. Everything I explained in the previous lectures. If students you want to know about that, if you want to learn, you can go through previous videos. You can check the playlist, students. You can go to my channel and you check the playlist and you'll just search for final accounts. You can get the videos. Okay, you can go through if you want. So this is very important to learn. And next, after 18th question, what is the next one? Next one is 19th question. So but here 18th question is section D. Okay, part 1, section A, B. Here we have C. I will show it. Here we have 3 sections, no? A section, B and C. Okay, B and C. B section, and here we have C section, 3. And next, part 2 starts from section D onwards. It is section D, and section D 20 marks question bit. And next we are going to have section E. Okay, continuation of that. So in section E we will get 2 questions. We are going to get 2 questions in the examination. There is choice. You are going to attempt any one out of that. So 19th question and question number 20. These are the 2 questions that you are going to get under section E. Okay, so you are going to attempt any one. Whatever you want to attempt, you can attempt. Whatever question you feel easy, so you can attempt that. Okay, so here what you are going to get? 19th question bit is 3-column cash book. You are going to prepare 3-column cash book. Okay, so 3-column cash book. I have given so many lectures on 3-column cash book. So you can check the previous videos. If anything you want, you can go to my channel. You can go to playlist. So you can search for 3-column. You will get the videos what actually I have uploaded, and I have given explanation. I have given lectures on 3-column cash book also. I discussed some problems on 3-column cash book. If you want, you can go through and you can learn 3-column cash book problems. Hope this is clear. Okay, so you are going to attempt any one question. So what is the weightage? 10 marks total. 1 into 10, 10 marks. You will get 10 marks here. Okay. So 19th question is 3-column cash book, and question number 20. This is bank reconciliation statement. You are going to prepare BRS. You can see here down, bank reconciliation statement. You have to prepare BRS statement. Okay. So any one you can attempt out of these two, either 19th one or question number 20. Any one you can attempt. Hope this is clear. If you attempt two also, they will take only into account more marks. Suppose for 19th question you are getting 10 marks. For question number 20 you are getting 9 marks. They will include 10 marks. Okay. For whatever you attempted for 19 and that you scored 10 marks, that will be taken into account. Hope this is clear. And let us go to next section, that is section F. So in section F you are going to get 5 marks questions from accountancy only. So total 4 questions. You will get 4 questions, students, but you have to attempt any 2. You can see here. Okay, any 2 you have to attempt. You have to attempt any 2, but you are going to get 4 questions. Choice is there. So what you will get? 2 problems you will get compulsorily, and 2 theory questions you will get from accountancy only. Okay, so here, what are those 2 problems? Question number 21, you can see, state the rules of debit and credit with examples. You should write debit and credit rules of personal account, real account and nominal account. Okay. So here 4 are given, but 2 you should attempt. So each question carries 5 marks. 2 questions into 5 marks, you will get 10 marks. So total 10 marks you can score from this section F if you write 2 questions out of 4. There is choice. Okay, any 2 you can select and you can write. Question number 21, 22, 23 and 24. Total 4. Out of these 4, 2 are problems, 2 theory. I will show that also. And here question number 22. If you check here, they mentioned prepare Akshita account from the following. This is ledger related problem, personal ledger. So how to do this personal ledger, I explained in the previous videos. You can check if you want. So I have given so many problems and its explanation how to do personal ledger. So if you want, you can go to playlist in my channel. You can check for personal ledger. Okay. So this is 5 marks bit, 5 marks question. And next, question number 23. Question number 23 is subsidiary books. Okay. Question number 23 is subsidiary books. And next 24 is a theory question. Hope this is clear. Okay, you can see this is what, this is subsidiary books. Question number 23. Okay, question number 23 is subsidiary books. You may get purchases book, sales book, purchase returns book, sales returns book, any 1 book, 2 books, sometimes 4 books also they may ask. You should prepare that. Okay, that question carries 5 marks. So these 2 problems are compulsory, personal ledger problem and subsidiary books problem. So if you want to attempt only problems, you can attempt. If you, it's your choice. You can select either theory questions or problems. And question number 24 is again theory question. Okay. So this is important question. You will get errors, errors of what actually are the types of errors. Okay, yeah, that is important question. And you will get 2 theory questions. I have shown just now. 21, question number 21 as well as question number 25. These 2 are theory. Question number 21 and 24. These 2 are theory, and 22 problem, that is ledger problem, question number 22. And next question number 23 is subsidiary books problem. 24 is theory question. Okay, total 4 questions. You are going to select any 2 out of that. Hope this is clear. So here you may get a doubt. So for the, so if some students may not be able to do problems, and they may have doubt if you want to attempt theory questions, what to learn. So you can see there is a list. Okay, if you learn all these 7 questions, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, here there is a list. No, if you learn this question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a list of 7 questions. If you learn this, you will be able to attempt theory questions what comes for 5 marks. Hope this is clear. Okay. So problems are compulsory, students. Ledger problem, personal ledger problem and subsidiary book problem. 2 problems compulsorily you will get in the examination. If anyone is unable to do problems, you can learn these theory questions so that you will be able to attempt 2 questions. Okay, let us move to question paper. And next bit. Next is section G. Okay, next one is section G. So for section G, what you will get? Very short questions in accountancy. So total 8 questions. You will get 8 questions. Question number starts from 25 onwards, 25, 26, okay, 27. So like that till 32. All questions in your examination are 1 to 32. Okay, in commerce. So 25 to 32. Total 8 questions you will get, but you are going to attempt only 5 questions. Only 5 questions you are going to attempt. So each question carries 2 marks. Okay, 5 questions you are going to attempt and each question carry 2 marks. Total 10 marks, students. So if you attempt this bit, you will get 10 marks. And all the questions comes from accountancy only, but very short questions. But out of 8 questions, 3 will be problems. 3 will be problems. What problems you will get? One is journal entry. These are compulsory, students. Okay, you will get compulsorily. So journalize. Journalize means you should write journal entries. You will get 4 journal entries. You should write 4 transactions you will get. You should write journal entries for that. Okay. So next 29th one. This is what trial balance. You will get compulsorily trial balance question. They will ask you prepare trial balance. So you can learn this also. That is compulsory question. And question number 30, opening journal entry. You should learn how to write opening journal entry. So these all trial balance, opening entry, all videos I uploaded in my channel. You can go to playlist and you can learn if you want to learn. Okay. So next, remaining questions. 3 are problems now out of 8. So remaining 5 are theoretical questions for 2 marks. So there is a list, important list. I will show that list. You can learn that so that you will be able to attempt 5 questions in the examination. So this is a list of all very important 2 marks questions from accountancy. So if you learn this list, you will be able to attempt the remaining questions. Okay, 3 problems and remaining 5 are theoretical questions. So these are the theoretical important questions from the final examination point of view. If you learn this list, you will be able to write theory questions in accountancy. Okay, so hope this is clear. I mentioned that 2 marks problems, 3 journal entries, trial balance and opening entry. So this is total list of questions, students, you are going to attempt in the examination. Okay, so this is how actually the question paper comes in the final examination. Very important to know the question paper pattern first of all, so that students can learn it. Okay, if you know the question paper pattern, then you can learn it easily. Otherwise you will find a difficulty. So what to learn and what not to learn, you don't know. So first of all you should know question paper, so that everything that what to learn you will know. It will become easy for you. Hope this is clear for everyone. Okay, so all the best, students, for your final examination. Hope this video is useful for everyone in the final examination. Okay, so let me finish my class. So watch this and have an idea regarding the question paper and write the exam well. All the best for your final examination. If you understand this class, like the video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.